Have you ever wondered how certain people seem to attract success, love, and abundance effortlessly? Today, we're diving deep into the powerful concept of manifestation, uncovering hidden secrets that can transform the way you think, feel, and act to create the life you've always envisioned. Manifestation isn't just a buzzword, it's a profound technique grounded in the belief that our thoughts have the power to shape our reality. This video will guide you through essential principles and practices to master the art of manifestation, enhancing every aspect of your life without the need for any visual aids or personal anecdotes. Manifestation, in its simplest form, refers to the ability to bring into reality what one constantly thinks about and focuses on. It's based on the principle that our thoughts influence our experiences, and by controlling our thoughts, we can influence the outcomes in our lives. This isn't magic. It's a skill that involves a deep understanding of the mind's power and how to effectively harness it. To truly understand manifestation, one must first accept that our perceptions shape our experiences. The world as we see it is a reflection of our inner thoughts and beliefs. For instance, if you believe that opportunities are limited, you may overlook possibilities that are right in front of you. Conversely, if you believe that the world is full of opportunities, you'll find yourself discovering these opportunities everywhere you go. The importance of mastering manifestation lies not only in achieving specific goals, but also in the profound impact it has on overall personal development. When you learn to manifest effectively, you cultivate qualities like mindfulness, positivity, and a proactive attitude, which are beneficial across all areas of life. It empowers you to become the architect of your destiny, actively shaping rather than passively experiencing your life. At the core of effective manifestation is belief, unwavering confidence in the possibility of achieving what you desire. It's not enough to merely want something. You must believe with certainty that it is attainable and that you are worthy of receiving it. This belief isn't about blind optimism, but a deep-seated conviction that aligns your mind and energy with your goals. Personal alignment is the synchronization of your beliefs with your desires. When your beliefs are aligned with your aspirations, you create a powerful force that propels you towards your goals. For example, if you aspire to be successful in your career, you must cultivate a belief system that supports this vision, such as believing in your skills, the value you bring, and your ability to overcome challenges. But aligning your beliefs with your desires is not always straightforward. It often requires introspection and the challenging task of changing deeply ingrained negative beliefs. To start this alignment process, begin by identifying any negative beliefs that may be hindering your progress. Question their validity and systematically replace them with positive affirmations that reinforce your capacity to achieve your dreams. The journey of mastering belief for manifestation is continuous and demands persistence. It involves regularly affirming your new beliefs, practicing visualization, and nurturing a mindset that supports your goals. Each step taken towards strengthening your belief is a step towards manifesting the life you desire. Visualization is a key component in the manifestation process. It involves clearly imagining what you desire as if it's already part of your life. This practice is not merely about daydreaming, but engaging in a focused, deliberate creation of vivid mental images that represent your goals. The strength of your visualization can greatly influence your ability to manifest effectively. The clearer and more detailed your mental image, the more likely it is to impact your subconscious mind, which plays a significant role in turning these images into reality. When you visualize, you do more than just see the outcome. You also need to involve your other senses. Imagine hearing, touching, and feeling associated with your desires. For instance, if your goal is to improve your living conditions, don't just see a new home, but hear the sounds in that space. Feel the comfort of sitting on your new sofa, and experience the warmth that comes from being in an environment you love. This multisensory approach reinforces your intention and makes your subconscious mind a powerful ally in achieving your goals. The emotional connection to your desires is what gives power to your manifestations. It's not enough to simply visualize and think positively. You must also feel that what you desire is truly possible and is already on its way. This emotional charge is what sets the law of attraction into motion. When your emotions align with your thoughts, you emit a powerful frequency to the universe, which helps to bring your manifestations into reality. To effectively use emotions in manifestation, start by choosing to focus on feelings of joy, gratitude, and success. When you cultivate these emotions regularly, they become associated with your visualization efforts. Each time you imagine your desired outcome, infuse it with feelings of happiness and thankfulness, as if you have already received what you are aiming for. This practice not only improves your mood and outlook, but also signals to the universe that you are ready to receive. Developing a consistent emotional state that reflects your desires requires practice. It involves monitoring your emotional responses throughout the day and adjusting them to align more closely with where you want to be. If you notice feelings of doubt or negativity, gently guide your emotions back to those of certainty and positivity. This continual realignment is crucial for maintaining the vibrational match needed to attract your desires. Affirmations are powerful tools in the manifestation process, serving as reminders of your goals and reinforcing your ability to achieve them. These short positive statements should align with your aspirations and be phrased in the present tense to enhance their effectiveness. The consistent use of affirmations helps to program your subconscious mind, aligning your thoughts and actions towards your desired outcomes. To create effective affirmations, focus on clarity and positivity. For instance, if your goal is financial independence, an affirmation like, "I am financially prosperous and secure," can reinforce your financial goals. Repeat these affirmations daily, and particularly during moments of doubt or stress, to maintain a positive and focused mindset. Using affirmations effectively requires more than just saying the words. It involves feeling the truth of the affirmation as you say it. This emotional engagement is crucial as it enhances the impact of the words on your subconscious mind, making it more receptive to these positive inputs. Over time, these affirmations can shift your internal narrative from doubt and limitation to confidence and possibility. The subconscious mind is a powerful entity that operates below the level of conscious awareness, influencing many aspects of our lives. In manifestation, the subconscious plays a pivotal role because it holds deep-seated beliefs and habits that can either support or hinder your ability to manifest your desires. Therefore, aligning your subconscious with your conscious goals is essential for effective manifestation. One way to influence your subconscious mind is through the practice of visualization and affirmations, as discussed earlier. Another effective technique is through subliminal messages or meditation. These practices help to calm the conscious mind and allow positive messages to seep into the subconscious, subtly shifting your underlying beliefs and attitudes. Aligning your subconscious requires consistency and patience. It's about layering positive experiences and thoughts day after day until they become the default setting of your subconscious mind. This alignment ensures that your subconscious supports rather than sabotages your conscious efforts to manifest your goals. We will explore more about how to harness the power of your subconscious and the laws that govern manifestation to further enhance your ability to create the life you desire. The law of assumption is a critical principle in the field of manifestation, suggesting that assuming the feeling of your wish as already fulfilled can dramatically influence your reality. Unlike merely desiring or wanting something, when you assume that your desire is a current reality, you shift your mental and emotional state to align with this belief. This alignment influences your actions and reactions, making you more receptive to the opportunities and resources that can turn your assumed reality into an actual one. To effectively apply the law of assumption, begin by clearly defining what you wish to achieve. Then, rather than just wishing for it, start living in the mindset of having already achieved it. This might involve changing how you speak about your goals, adjusting your daily behaviors, and making decisions as if you were already in the position you aspire to be. These actions reinforce the assumption and help manifest it into reality. While you grow more comfortable and proficient with the basic techniques of manifestation, exploring advanced strategies can provide deeper insights and more potent results. One such advanced technique is the practice of scripting. Scripting involves writing down detailed scenarios of your desired outcomes as if they are happening now. This method combines visualization, emotion, and the power of written words to strengthen your manifestation efforts. Another advanced technique is the use of vision boards, which are visual representations of your goals and aspirations. By creating a board with images and words that depict your desires, you provide yourself with a constant visual reminder of what you're working towards. This continual exposure can help to imprint your goals on both your conscious and subconscious mind, enhancing the manifestation process. Engaging in these advanced techniques, along with the practices previously discussed, equips you with a comprehensive toolkit for manifestation. Whether you are scripting your future, visualizing your success, or reinforcing your journey with affirmations, each step builds upon the last, creating a robust framework for achieving personal transformation and success. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the secrets of manifestation. We hope you found the insights shared not only useful but transformative, offering you practical tools to shape your reality consciously. If this video has sparked a shift in your thinking or opened new possibilities for your personal growth, please consider liking it and sharing it with others who might benefit from these techniques. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that will help you harness the power of your mind and create the life you truly desire. Together, let's continue to explore, learn, and manifest a brighter, more abundant future.